How to check TikTok account country. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the TikTok application on your device over here. So let's launch the TikTok application and make sure that you're logged into your account. As you're logged into your TikTok application on a device, what you can simply do is tap on your profile at the bottom right corner of the screen. So let's tap on the profile section at the bottom right corner, and as you tap on your profile, you'll be able to see the option of hamburger icon at the top right corner of the screen. Select on that. As you select on the hamburger icon, you get the options of settings and privacy. So simply select on the settings and privacy option. As you select on settings and privacy, it will take us to a new page where you can see all the settings options. So simply tap on the account option at the very first, and as you tap on account, let's wait over here, and here you can see the option of account information at the top. Select on account information, and as you do that, you can see the option of account region. So this is the way you can check your TikTok account country. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.